have explained you on how to choose the right product to promote your Clickbank account in my previous lecture. If you want to succeed in Clickbank marketing, you need to copy your competitors. Let me explain you on how to identify your competitors. After choosing the product, the first thing you need to look after is affiliate resource page for the product. Actually, there are many people and advertisers out there to give you hints, tips and resources to help you in promoting your product. Even you can personally email to the product vendors asking for their methodology, as it might help you in some way. Every product will have some best traffic resources. For some products, paid traffic works great, but for some other products, it won't even convert. So try to find out the best traffic resource for the Clickbank product that you are planning to promote. Here are different Clickbank secret techniques which your competitors may use for the product to promote. Identify what your competitors are doing and copy it when you launch your product. The first one is the free traffic. Free traffic means getting unpaid visitors. It includes traffic from search engines like Google, Bing and Yahoo. It also includes social media sites like Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest and referral traffic from other sites. This is going to work at the beginning, but once you receive the traffic, you can easily make a lot of money. I have explained you on how to receive free traffic using social media with my free software in the later part of the course. So it's going to be a win-win situation for both of us. The second is the direct traffic. When someone type your URL directly into a browser and navigate to your website, it is called as direct traffic. Such traffic is all achieved organically rather than through a source of advertising or paid promotion of some kind. It is very hard to obtain and you need to be a brand to get direct traffic. Then you have the paid traffic. Paid traffic is where you are spending money to attract those visitors to your website. This might include using paid listings on search engine, paying to promote your content or link on social media sites like Facebook and showing ads on other sites around the net. Also make sure you have a good squeeze page. Squeeze is a web page designed to capture email address from the subscribers in marketing the products. The main goal of the squeeze page is to convince the customers or visitors to buy the products they sought for by catching the personal information provided by the customers. Any kind of Clickbank product you have, make sure you have a squeeze page type of website. Another option is to have a pre-sale type of website. It is the page in which you can highlight the benefits of the products that you want to sell and make sure you are doing your best to convert your clients or customers into buyers. Whether you are promoting your own products or someone else through Clickbank, you will want to make sure your website is functional, error-free and sales-oriented. You also want to begin capturing visitors' information as soon as possible by offering a newsletter. This helps you build a dedicated audience to market all your affiliate offers both now and in the future. So try to identify what type of traffic your competitors are pushing and how they are building the site, and then try to replicate what they are doing. If you do it, you are halfway nearing to your success.